Good day to all the employers in Hong Kong, ma'am and sir. I am Melanie Akma Apale from Zamboanga, Sibugay Province, Philippines. I am 39 years old, married, and blessed with 4 children ages 22, 20, 19, and 9 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as a household worker and a nanny as well in Qatar for more than 7 years, from the year 2017 until this year 2025. I serve 6 members of the family, including 1 baby. My duties are cleaning the house, washing dishes, doing the laundry, ironing clothes, and most of all taking care of baby. I send her also to school and pick her up too. I have also experience of taking care of newborn baby, toddler, and children. I like to work in Hong Kong because I believe that this country is the best place to work with. And I want to earn money also to support the needs of my family, especially the studies of my children and for their future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am a loyal, trustworthy, patient, and hardworking woman. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.